Hey guys, welcome to Mike's RC Corner. As you can see, the RC Corner's all in pushed in a corner. We got some stuff going on down here in the back basement. Our guy canceled on us twice, and I'm all cut off. But what we're going to do here is I have some running footage of the new model. It looks like an Axial Yeti Junior, but it isn't. It's the Sports Drift GS1002, and 1/12 scale-ish kind of desert car. Two guys in there. Looks cool. Guys, we'll go straight to the running footage of this, and I'll do another video when I get a chance to do a little bit of detailed overview. It's a four-wheel drive, 540 brushed motor in here. It's got a lipo in the back. Looks pretty good. Full-size tires. Okay guys, hope you enjoy the running footage, and we'll see you again soon on Mike's RC Corner. Hey guys, we're back. We're outside. We got the fake Yeti here. That's what I call it. Little man's here. Rest of my family's out here. We got a bound. This radio's cool. It should have a dual rate for the throttle. On-off switch down here. We got it turned on. Looking good. Just gonna play with the steering trim. So the spec on this says it goes 50 kilometers on the box, and that's full throttle. I'd say it's probably closer to 40 kilometers. That feels like 40 kilometers to me, but it's still pretty quick for a 1/12 scale. Bring it in here. We'll dial down the dual rate, and wow. That's full dual rate turn down, so that's for crawling mode. Wow, that's not even 10 kilometers there. So let's dial it halfway and see if it makes much of a difference. You know, that's about halfway on the dual rate dial. And it picked up some speed, so you can really dial this thing down if you want to do some scale speed type things. But let's dial it back up. That's full speed. Pretty cool stuff. That's got pretty big tires on it. It's got some bounce in the back. I don't think there's oil in the shocks. Let's just take it on the grass. Woohoo! There's a jump. Alright. Turn it down, hand it over to the little man, see how he does it.